Hello everybody, my name is Christopher and today I am recommending a car repair business in Miami, Florida called Chino's Specialty Paint and Body Shop. If you are looking to get your car fixed by one of the best hard workers in Miami, then stop by here at Chino's. But let's take a look at what our customers say. Aura Carrada says, do you want to repair your car? Do you wish you could get it repaired fast and fair? Just go to Chino's. I am so grateful to both Chino and his wife for being clear, honest, kind, and respectful. Clarissa Hernandez says, I've crashed my car 2 times and Chino has done a great job with my car. My car was ready no later than in a week. The price was fair. I recommend this auto body shop to anybody. What do we have to offer? Well, first let me tell you how this business is family owned and operated by German and Adela Paul with over 40 years of experience, personally by German El Chino Paul. We do auto body repair and painting, auto body collision and refinish, complete collision repair, classic, antique, and modern cars, rust repairs, lease return help, blackout lights, headlight restoration, professional buffing, 24-hour towing service. We work with all insurance companies. We are a professional service and we do much more. Visit us and experience for yourself from the moment you walk in. We started from the bottom and now we're here. Literally. We started this business from the yard of our house and years later moved into the building we're in now. Where to contact us? You can contact us at 305-525-4029 or 305-324-6799. Our address is 754 Northwest 21st Terrace, Miami, Florida 33127. If you want more information, just click our link in the description. It will be the link to our website. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day and hopefully you stop by here to get your car fixed.